Since we brought on the EnvisionTech machines, it's been about 4 months and we've already pushed over, we're getting real close to 3,000 parts we've delivered. Quantity-wise, compared to our FDM business, is a little bit smaller, but this is brand new to us, so this will do nothing but grow.
One of the fascinating features about these EnvisionOnes is the cDLM technology which they house. And coming from a subtractive manufacturing background to an additive manufacturing technology, just seeing the ease of use is fantastic. And the fact that it doesn't matter if you print 1 part or 10 parts on a build sheet, it's the same amount of time, and that's all in thanks to this cDLM technology that the EnvisionOnes have. Overall, the quality of the prints are what I'm most impressed with. The definition especially. Before, we could never do high resolution, real accurate small parts, so this has really fit that bill quite nicely. We're doing a job right now for a medical company that the parts are literally smaller than your fingernail. And with the EnvisionOne machine, we can hold tolerances down to 0.2 of a millimeter. So we're just extremely happy with the tolerances we can hold. And these are on very small parts. So it just really gives us a broader customer base. Some of the more recent in-use products that we've completed have been gaskets for a major spacecraft company in the Pacific Northwest. We literally print parts that go to outer space all the way down to 10,000 feet in the bottom of the ocean for certain applications. And that just is a testament to me that additive manufacturing is definitely here to stay.